Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. The tutorial shows how to take an HD screenshot on a laptop or PC using a web browser, Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. So, let's get started. Press F12 to open the browser's developer tools. Click the toggle device emulation icon to enable mobile/device view. Open the Dimensions drop-down and select Edit. Click Add Custom Device, give it a name, e.g. High-Res. Set resolution to 1920 by 1080. And device pixel ratio to 4 for higher quality. Select the new custom device from the Dimensions list. Click the three dots in the Developer Tools panel. Choose Capture Screenshot to save a high-quality image of the page. Use Capture Full-Size Screenshot to save the entire web page in HD. The creator asks users to like and subscribe if the fix helped.